Welcome to the crypto nest. So let's do some miners. I can do 2 or 3 today. All right, so Aten mining. So once again, we had the bigger wave 1 in yellow, wave 2, and within this third wave, yeah, I can see I won 2. We work on the third wave, and currently we are on the fourth. We let me see here. Yeah, this is a little bit messy. I can see a possible A here. We did an A, a B, and a C. As you can see, we could have gone a little bit lower. 1-to-1 ratio. We stopped bend on at the 0.786, 31.62. And now it looks like we're going higher. Now, it's still unclear. This is micro counting, so it doesn't have to absolutely have a fifth wave. It looks like it's going for it. But maybe this is just the A is going to do the B now and do the C and maybe reach lower levels. This is the orange count. Now, for a moment, you can see that, yeah, we had this downtrend. We did broke it last Friday, the last 2-3 hours. Now the question is it going to go higher? If it does, these are the targets that I calculated for this third wave in yellow. So from the current price, don't know why I cannot I think my computer it's a little bit is it this? Oh no, it's here. Okay, anyway, so from the current price, we would need about a 15% or a little bit less. Actually, no, it's 15% to reach the 41.24. That would be my first target. It's a little bit shallow as a target because the previous one was 39.83, not even $1. It's about 50 cents more, right? Ideally, we would go higher to the next target, which is my second one. But really, the one that I'm really looking forward, that's almost $48, $47.88. We're talking about, yeah, almost 30% higher. And we could go even higher here, comparing to these fibs for the orange extension, right? I took the wave 1 to the wave 2 and add them up. So because price pushed so high, we do have a little bit also confluence price at 2x, 2.36, 3.8. You can see 3.8 really near this target here. So I'm really looking for this level. Yes, it can push higher and we can reach even $50.36. That's going to be the 2.618 fib extension. And after that, yeah, we need to prepare for a bigger pullback of this fourth wave here. You can see that if price just goes here at this level, which is 43.83, just put it like that. This is an estimation, right? If it goes higher, the fourth wave will go higher as well. So ideally, let's see if it goes to $48, then price should make a pullback between 35 to 28.85. So these are the levels, which also makes sense because often, yeah, we go revisit the fourth wave. Usually it's for the fifth, for the wave 2, but we will see. Anyway, so we will have a lot of support in this level, and we have we are going to have this fib retracement on top of that. Let's not expect like crazy levels. And because it's doing diagonal, we can go even lower. But ideally, we want to stay, we want to have a coin that is strong. So possibly 0.32 would be very good. 0.5 would be kind of the limit. This is like stretching it, stretch it to the extension of the limit. And yeah, so very interesting today. It's going to be a very interesting Monday and Tuesday. I'm expecting more likely maybe a continuation of this push and at least reaching maybe today this first target, or first half of this week, and possibly by the end of this week, if we can reach the $48 would be amazing. I more likely will start to take some profits and scale back in when I feel is the time. I'm going to be very conservative, so no, I wanted. I'm going to start to scale back in at the first fib retracement at 39.50, and then if it goes lower, even more. Here, honestly, it's where I'm going to accumulate the most. I'm going to keep some cash on the side in case we go here, and if price really does something like this, ideally, when it's going to do something like that, then if I feel that price is reversing or perhaps making a new higher high, then I'm going to say, okay, fine, the price it's not going to push lower, and when it's going to do this, when it's going to break out from the previous local high and make a new local higher high, then I'm going to put all my cash on a side that I had from this sell here. I'm going to jump back here. All right, so this is my strategy, and why I do that is because in case price doesn't stop, just have a small pullback of this correction, and then it goes deeper, I do have some cash aside to scale back in even deeper, and that's how we increase the number of our shares, just by trying to sell, timing the top, and then trying to see what would be a nice re-entry point. Now, someone asked me Dmgi. Okay, Dmgi, it's I'm a little bit worried about Dmgi. I don't know why my internet today it's slow. You can see that it's kind of struggling to break out now. This is very bad, honestly. If it doesn't hurry up, why the chart doesn't move? Are you serious? Okay, there you go. If Dmgi doesn't hurry up, it's going to kill this chart, because if Bitcoin start to do the fourth wave, then we're going to go even lower, and then that's it. It's all for nothing. We absolutely need Dmgi to push and complete this C wave, to complete this third wave. Otherwise, this chart is going to be destroyed, and it's not going to survive, honestly, because structurally it's going to be killed. So this is a 1-to-1 ratio, $1.40. We're talking about $1. This is no kidding. He must wake up now, or it's going to be too late. Because what's going to be left for me to analyze this? The only thing I can say after that is like, it's almost wishful thinking, but I can count this as a wave 1, and we did an A, overshooting wave B, and a C, but then that's it. But then there isn't much left, because when we're going to go here, if we go there, this is going to coincide with the fourth wave of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will only have left to do one leg up. And so it means Dmgi, it will not do another higher high. The only thing it will do this cycle, it's going to do, so if it does that as a fourth wave, as a fifth wave, even if you push higher, maybe it's going to do a third wave. Can do an A, a B, and a C. Can it do that within Bitcoin is able to do the fifth wave? That's the thing. But then really need to wake up, need to see some real price action, really need to complete this fifth wave ideally this week, which is almost impossible. Well, I cannot say impossible, because XRP, they exploded, but it's very crucial that Dmgi wake up now and push higher, because it's going to destroy the chart. All right, hopefully I didn't destroy your hope for Dmgi. There is still probabilities that can do well, but price must go up. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.